everybody, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing a date night get ready with me. It will be on this really pretty smoky eye that I did. And it's going to be a first impressions using the new Fenty Beauty Body Lavas. And I have the Fairy Pom Pom. So the only thing is that I don't have the face and body kabuki brush because I went to every Sephora I could and it was sold out, and it sold out on the Fenty website and Sephora.com. So I don't have the kabuki brush, the face and body brush that came with the collection. I don't have that. So sorry about that. I hope you guys still check the video out and see my thoughts on these. I do currently or don't currently have on the body lava right now. So this is my skin. I am going out with my boyfriend. A couple days ago for me filming this was his birthday, so I'm taking him to dinner today. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and try these out. These do retail $59 each. The Fairy Balm is $45, I think. $42. So that's how much that cost. So you guys want to go ahead and get my first impression on these. I am going out, so I will update you all in the description box how it held up. Did it transfer? Is it sticky? It is really hot today in New York City. I am dressed like this because this is literally the first hot day we've had since spring started in New York, and we, the New Yorkers, hey, we living it up right now. So I do have on to the bodysuit, so it was a perfect time to try this out. Plus it's finally hot, so I'm going out dressed like, you know, it's 95 because it's like 85 right now. You have any questions, let me know. You know, as usual, I love you all to absolute pieces. Please enjoy this get ready with me and tell me what you guys think. Yes, I love you all, and let's go ahead and jump right in.
So hello, don't you know, don't you know, I'm living in shadow, don't you know, don't you know, I fell for fool's gold, I fell for fool's gold. What did I know? What did I know? I fell for fool's gold. I fell for fool's gold. What did I know? What did I know? You were fool's gold. Yes, I did. And I did it all for love. Yes, I did it all for love. Oh, they say fools believe in it, so I guess I'm one of them. Oh, don't you know, I fell for fool's gold. I fell for fool's gold. What did I know? What did I know? I fell for fool's gold. I fell for fool's gold. What did I know? What did I know? You were fool's gold. Yes, I did. you know? Don't you know? I'm living in shadow. Don't you know? Don't you know? I fell for fool's gold. I fell for fool's gold. What did I know? What did I know? I fell for fool's gold. I fell for fool's gold. What did I know? What did I know? You were fool's gold. Yes, I did. And I did it all for love. Yes, I did it all for love. Oh, they say fools believe in it, so I guess I'm one of them. Oh, don't you know? I fell for fool's gold. I fell for fool's gold. What did I know? What did I know? I fell for fool's gold. I fell for fool's gold. What did I know? What did I know? You were fool's gold. Yes, I did. So hollow, don't you know? Don't you know? I'm living in shadow. Don't you know?
So now it's time to try the new Fenty Body Lava. I put my camera like I'm leaning. My body lavas, I'm gonna be trying them both on me. I have on a bodysuit, off the shoulder bodysuit, because like I said at the beginning, I am going out with Babe. So if you hear NBAs, because he's in the other room. So I'm gonna try these out. Now, like I said in the beginning, I don't have the brush, so to apply them, I'm gonna use this little H&M kabuki, whatever. So I'm first gonna go in. Oh, and I also have the pom-pom here. I'm gonna do one on each side, like who needs clothes here, brown sugar here, and then I'll probably like mix them in the middle so I don't look too crazy when I go out. So I'm gonna take a little bit of who needs clothes. I'm just gonna, I don't wanna put too much, but I wanna put enough. And I'm just gonna, look at that instant glow though. And on my tattoos, this stuff smells really nice. Oh, you guys see that? Nothing. A little something, something. Nothing. A little something, something. One more pump. Not a lot. sure I get the boobs. So this is Who Needs Clothes. Like the glitter. Oh, I can't believe my camera. I don't think my camera's even picking this up. Oh, it's like a really nice champagne, like pink and gold glitters. Hope you guys can see the glow. So now we're gonna try on brown sugar. Pump there, pump here. And this one too, I'm gonna blend in. And it's like a gel formula. Oh my gosh, brown sugar looks like liquid bronze. This is brown sugar. For some reason, I kind of feel like I like Who Needs Clothes more. So I'm just gonna mix them in the middle. A pump of that. And a pump of that. And I'm like gonna mix them in the middle. This stuff smells so good. With this off the shoulder top and the glowy skin, I don't know why I just thought of Captain Zeta-Jones and like Zorro or something. I'm then gonna take a little bit of brown sugar and apply it on top of my highlight. So for that, I'm gonna use a brush. Actually, I'm gonna try with my fingers first. Actually, no, I don't wanna mess up my makeup and risk it. So I'm gonna take a little bit of brown sugar on a brush. Literally, I'll put a drop. And my highlight is very subtle today. My rest of my makeup is so much. And I'm gonna apply a little bit of brown sugar. Oh no, 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 no. I'm gonna take whatever was left on the nozzle and put on my finger. I'm gonna try to blend it out my finger. A brush was a no-go. A brush was a no-go. I wouldn't use this on the it kind of, ooh, Fenty. It kind of broke up my foundation a little bit. I still look a little glowy, but now it kind of separated my foundation, like thinned out. No, it kind of broke up my foundation a little bit. No! I worked so hard on this makeup. No, 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 no. Oh no, these are not for the face. Okay, don't like that. So I'm gonna have to like reapply my highlight because it like broke up. Like I don't even know if you guys will be able to even see. It like broke up my foundation. You guys probably can't even see that. No, but this is not for the face. So I'll cover that up, honey. It doesn't feel too tacky. It's a little tacky, but I saw Jackie Anna's video, and I'm assuming when you put too much, you may get that feeling. So it's a little tacky, but not sticky. I don't see it on my clothes, but then again, I haven't really been moving around yet. So and the kabuki blended it out really nice. So if you don't have the brush, just like I don't, get your little H&M kabuki. This was a whole of $5 at H&M. So now we're gonna get into the Fairy Balm. And out of all the products, the Body Lavas, and out of both Body Lavas, this smells the best. So I'm gonna go ahead with my flower Fairy Pom Pom. This thing smells like literally coconut. It's so good. And I'm just gonna give myself a few taps. Oops. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. That glitter. You just gotta, you know, you gotta, boom. So that was it for this video. I hope you like this get ready with me. So I'm gonna go ahead because we're almost late for our dinner reservation, so I'm gonna head and get out of here. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I will update you all in the description box on how the body lava held up, so make sure you check the description box. I will definitely go ahead and say how this held up, if it gets on my clothes, when I hug my boyfriend, if it got on his sweater or whatever. So we'll see. But as far as the look goes, I love the look. I'm gonna go ahead and get out of here. I love you all to absolute pieces, and I will see you on the next one. Mwah.